Let's get this simple makeup done with underpainting method.
Hi guys, it's Zino. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So the first thing you have to do is to wipe your face and clear off any debts, any possible debts that can be on your face. Then you go with your moisturizer. Right here I'm using my Blossom moisturizer. Then you blend everything to your face. This Blossom moisturizer, it's a water-based moisturizer. It doesn't leave any oil on your skin, and I will recommend you get one for yourself. This is a V Beauty palette brush.
You have to apply your blush on your cheekbone on both sides, so you just need to apply it.
Then go with your concealer. Just apply it. So all you need is little of your concealer and everything. Your concealer on your cheek is to be applied on top your blush, underneath your eye, then place on your nose, under your chin and your forehead, just for that good lightening to come out. So I got this concealer from Mother Cosmetic. This concealer is from Mother Cosmetic, and I've been using it for some months, and it has been really good. And I went with my skin shade foundation from V Beauty. One thing I know about underpainting is that when you are applying foundation, it has to be really little, very little. So your foundation should be placed on the empty spaces on your face that requires makeup, so has to give that full coverage. I like to start blending for my blush so you can give a perfect blending touch at the end of the day. So you have to blend thoroughly to have a good finishing. So we have applied the blush, we have applied concealer, we have applied our primer, we have even used our fix spray, our setting spray, which was not actually recorded in the video. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please do now and on your notification. Drop a like on this video and a comment of what next you want us to do, what other videos you want us to create. If you are yet to see my page, if you go to my short videos, you see how I have made videos, several videos on how to apply your lipstick, your lip combo and others. So let's continue our video. So I am making this video so simple because it's a beginner friendly video for makeup, so there won't be any wet contour on this video, but we're going to be going with the dry contour at the end of the video. So this is how you blend your concealer. You make sure to spread it all over the place and try to clear out those harsh lines. You must not leave any harsh line on your face, so your face will not be looking like an unplastered wall. This is the part where you calm down and watch how I blend every area of the face, so everything is going to be in one tone at the end of the video. So I applied a little foundation again on my neck zone, so the makeup can actually give a complete blend to my neck. This is how the face will look after blending thoroughly. It's time to set the face. Take a little touch of your setting powder and rub it up on your hand, because you don't want to apply the setting powder everywhere on your face. You want it settling down in your face and giving that good finished look. So I made use of the FBH setting powder. I cannot actually recall the shade, but I'm going to place it down on the description of this video at the end of the day. So watch the video and see how I set the face. Make sure to apply only little of your setting powder. You don't need too much everywhere. Trust me, it is going to be very tiring for you to blend at the end of the day. So you have to place your setting powder on your T-zones, exactly where you place your concealer for a lightening, just to give that fresh finished look. I like placing my setting powder on my cheek to give that good defining of my face. So this is the part where I make a good sketch out of my brow. I start by sketching my brow out with a black pencil. Then I make a filling with my brown pencil as well. Remember, this is a very simple makeup tutorial. It is not something that really needs stressing, so I made it as easy as possible. Let me know on the comment section if you need a proper tutorial video of how to sketch your brow and make it look this nice. So I am using my FBH palette concealer for lining my brow. So I made use of a lighter shade, just a little lighter than my shade underneath my brow, and a darker one at the upper side of the brow. So I completed the drawing of the brow off camera. So at this point now I'm adding a dark shade underneath my eyeshadow. I'm not using any makeup on it. I'm not using any eyeshadow color for this part of my eyeshadow. In case you do not have an eyeshadow palette yet at home and you want to make a simple makeup just for a quick acting, then this video is for you. So I did a little contouring on my nose just to make the nose look more defined and sharpened and penciled and straight and all that. So this is the part where I dust off all the setting powder that I placed on my face. At this point, you use your own shade of foundation, your own shade of powder on your face. Blend, 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 blend. Next, I go with my blush palette. I'm using a classic blush palette. Make sure you apply a little of your blush because it is just a simple makeup.
So because I didn't want to make it look serious, I only did an under eyeliner. So I'm thinking of making use of this underpainting method a lot, because why not? It saves you time and saves you your products. You are not going to be using much of your products and all that. It's easy to blend and correspond with your skin, just for you to apply your proper powder and make a proper blend. So let's get the lip combo part. So this part I made use of a black pencil, a brown pencil, and a nude lip and a touch of pink. So if you are yet to know how to combine to do your lip combo perfectly well, go and check some of my short videos. Even this particular lip combo, I posted how to create this lip combo on my short videos. I think that's a very clear shot and everything. So after blending the pencil and the brown pencil thoroughly with both my brush and dabbing it together, I went with my nude lip. You can blend with your brush when you apply your nude lip. Then I went ahead to apply my lip stain for pink, the light pink, just to make it pop a little. And that is the end of our video. What do you think, guys? Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more.